An important reminder this morning for anyone on social media, hackers are always stepping up their phishing attacks. One Facebook Messenger scam has already duped millions of people into handing over private information.
Consumer reporter John Mattery shows us what to look out for so you don't waste your money.
Sissy Lowe is a huge Elvis Presley fan.
This one is Viva Las Vegas with Aunt Margaret.
She founded an Elvis fan page on Facebook, gaining 32,000 friends. Until recently, when a hacker took it over and locked her out.
A month ago, it got stolen from me, and nothing's been done about it.
Sissy believes a hacker in Indonesia now controls the group that she founded 7 years ago.
I couldn't even get in it. Took my admin status away.
So how did a scammer get her password? She has no idea.
Scams where someone takes control of your Facebook page or some other social media site are all too common these days. But one phishing scam in particular has already affected 10 million people and still counting.
Our mission is to detect and stop phishing attacks for our customers, for our users.
Chris Cleveland is the founder and CEO of Pixum, which recently uncovered a massive phishing campaign on Facebook Messenger. Chris says the attack starts with a message from someone you know, but the message isn't from your friend, it's from a hacker.
I get this message, I enter my credentials in there. Now the hacker can send out that message to all of my friends and propagate the message that way.
Watch this example provided by Pixum and HelpNet Security. Once you click the link, you're redirected to a legitimate ad before being sent back to a fake login page. That's where hackers ask you to re-enter your Facebook password. So how do you protect your information? Chris says two-factor authentication is a must, and beware unusual requests from friends.
Even if you trust that person, make sure you contact them first.
Finally, never use your Facebook password for other accounts. Sissy is devastated.
I feel violated.
If something feels strange, don't click so you don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.